Howdy, this is Mary Burris of Flowering Cactus, and today I want to show you a very simple twist. It's a yin practice, so it's extremely gentle, but it really helps to stretch these lower back muscles. And so if you have tension in this lower back or you sit a lot during the day, this is going to be a fantastic, relaxing, really feel-good exercise for you or movement for you. So I'm going to actually turn around and face away from you, and so you'll need to watch the video before you do it one time and then watch it again, and I talk you through it as I'm doing it. You can just hear, so you'll have a memory. Okay, so you'll lie down on your back like so. I have the bolster to my right side, so my right leg is going to stay extended. My arms come out to the sides with the palms facing down in a T shape. I bend the left leg to a 90-degree angle, take a big breath in, and on the exhalation, just twist so that my leg can rest on the blanket. Now, I have a rolled up blanket because I don't own a bolster, believe it or not, but if you have a bolster or pillows you can stack up, this is great. So once your leg is nice and comfortable and you're feeling a twist, turn your head to look to the left side and just breathe down into your lower ribs. So you can hold this pose for 10 minutes. I mean, up to 10 minutes, anywhere between 3 and 10 minutes, and you're going to get some benefit from it. If it's really comfortable, you can stay in it longer than 10 minutes. To come out of the pose, you just breathe in, bring that left leg back to center, extend it down. And then you'll want to do the other side. So same thing. This time the left leg is extended, the arms are out in a T shape with the palms facing down. The right leg comes up. Take a breath in. Exhale, let that leg drop so it's supported. Now, you might not be comfortable with your leg bent. That's totally fine. A lot of people need the extended leg to give the leverage to help with the twist. So if you need to extend your leg, just make sure it's supported at a level that feels comfortable to you, and turn your head to look at the right side. So this type of support applies to either side, and just breathe and let the muscles relax. Again, I'm just holding for a few seconds, but you will hold this for several minutes so that the muscles can relax, and breathe into that lower back. Let everything relax that can possibly relax. And then to come out, you come out the same way that we did on the other side. You breathe in, let your hips drop down, exhale, and here you go. And if it feels good to bring your knees in towards your chest and rock from side to side, you can do that at the end of this pose. So that is the Yin Yoga Twist. Again, it's great for lower back. Enjoy the pose, and namaste. This is Mary Burris of Flowering Cactus signing off.